Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amanda. Today's look is on this tropical summer look that I have created for you guys. So if you like this look, stay tuned and keep on watching. Also, if you want to get notified every time I post a video, hit the notification bell and let's get into it. Alright guys, so first things first, we're going to prime our eyelids with some concealer or any eye primer that you may like, and we just want to make sure we have a good base for our shadows to stick to. The first shade I'm going in with is Escape from the Morphe and James Charles palette, and you just want to pack that color on. I know I always say to start small and build up, but for such a colorful look we're going to build up or start strong and blend out. The next shade is Skip from the James Charles palette, and you want to pack that on and blend out your purple. The next shade I'm going in with is B, and I'm using that kind of as a highlight, but also as a little transition from yellow to orange and pink. And also you want to pack that color on so that it can be seen as well. So with all of these colors, you're just going to be packing on and blending just so you can get the desired look that you want, or the desired intensity that you want. And I'm just going in and, you know, packing and blending as much as I want. I'm going in with my concealer to cut my crease, and you want to be precise and really take your time so that you can make a crisp line and have everything look blended and seamless and just really pretty. I'm going in with the shade Playground, and this is going to be all over my lid. I started out with a fluffy brush, but noticed it was skipping, so I went to a denser brush and just packed that color on, and would use the fluffy brush to blend anytime I felt like it needed to be blended. And really take your time to build up your color to the desired intensity that you want. Make sure to blend out all of your edges, and next I'm using the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner, and I'm starting out you know, small and careful just because I didn't want to mess up the look. But I think this is what really brings the look together, such a neon color for eyeliner. I'm going back in with Escape, and this is going to go on my waterline or as close as you can get it. And then I'm going back in with Skip, and I'm going to blend out the purple shade. I'm adding my lashes and mascara and fixing up my eyeliner, and you're all done with this look. Alright guys, so this is the completed look that I have created for you today. If you have any suggestions on any future videos, or if you want to see something, let me know in the comments. Also, if you have any Netflix recommendations or Hulu recommendations, let me know in the comments down below too. So yeah, if you like this, give me a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!